Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the engine oil filter and air filter on Volkswagen Golf 7 1.6 TDI. First we're going to remove the engine cover and remove the oil filter cap. Next we're going to remove the engine under tray so that we can get to the drain plug and also to the oil filter. Now I'll show you where the drain plug is. The drain plug is right there, and the oil filter is at the front of the engine. You can see it's right there. Next I'm going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. While the oil is draining, next I'm going to remove the oil filter. Now that the oil filter is removed, I'm going to replace it with a new one. There is an O-ring on the oil filter cap that I need to replace, and then put the oil filter back on, and then put the oil filter cap back on. Now that the oil is drained, I'm going to put back the drain plug and tighten it to specs. Next I'll show you what it says in the service manual about this car for the engine oil. filling capacity is 4.6 liters. Some drain bolt is tightened at 30 Newton meters. The oil filter is tightened at 25 Newton meters. And for this car, for this engine, is 530 oil. The engine oil classification is VW 507. Next I'm going to fill the right amount of oil into the engine. It was 4.6 liters. Now that I've filled the engine with oil, I'm going to put the oil filler cap back on. On the dipstick I'm going to check what's the level of the oil. I haven't started the engine yet, so whatever it says the level on the oil is, it will drop once I start the engine and the oil filter gets filled with oil. Next I'm going to replace the air filter. The air filter is located right there. In order to remove the air filter cover, we need to remove, there is 6 or 7 Torx bolts that we need to remove. Once I remove the bolts, I'm going to lift up the air filter cover and replace the air filter. Now I'm going to tighten the bolts. Next I'm going to start the car, and after I start the car, wait 5 minutes and check the oil level again and add as necessary. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.